Welcome class and Professor Phyllis. My name is Sierra Arneman. Have you ever thought about why peer pressure and social norms play such a powerful force in our behavior? Is it due to what we consider to be the norm? And are we aware we can adjust our behavior to fit the social norms? In 2004, Perrine and Young addressed the relationship between peer influence and problem behavior in order to predict smoking in adolescents 1 year later. In this study, a group of 4th and 7th graders were given items from a self-monitoring scale as well as self-reports. The self-reports included current and past cigarette use, measures of active peer pressure such as direct offers, and passive peer pressure, in this case, normative beliefs. The first part of the study administered a survey regarding cigarette use and peer influence, while the second part had 2 survey administrations about 6 weeks apart. Research found that factors of psychological and social influence contribute to problem behaviors that cause the use of cigarettes in adolescence. Therefore, high self-monitor students who believed smoking was a norm were 3.5 times more likely to display early onset smoking over a 1-year time period than those high self-monitor students who didn't believe so. Simply, passive peer pressure differentiates how people adjust their behavior to conform in social situations. The findings suggest that self-presentation is an underlying motivation for early onset smoking in adolescents. Next, a study was conducted from the Center for Alcohol and Addiction. It tested the willingness to drink as a function of peer norms and offers in early adolescence. The sample consisted of students throughout the middle schools that participated in a 3-year study on alcohol initiation and progression. Participants completed a group orientation with a baseline survey and a semi-annual follow-up with web surveys. These surveys reported participants' willingness to drink alcohol if offered by close friends or classmates, drinking behavior, and sensitivity to peer approval. This study revealed that there was a significant association between willingness to drink and perceived norms about drinking for close friends and classmates. The socialization of drinking behavior can occur through imitation, modeling processes, as well as active persuasion. Results showed that the strongest association between norms and willingness was for close friends and if offered by a best friend. Social norms appear to play a key role in substance use decisions when it comes to behaviors that reflect willingness to drink under contributive circumstances. Based on these studies, social norms and peer influence play a vital role when it comes to decision making. We tend to conform with the normative crowd to prevent being singled out. However, this can result in heavy consequences and can lead us down a dark path. Especially in early adolescent years, they become much more susceptible to demonstrating this type of behavior, and if not aware, it can result in more problematic behavior down the road.